right, everybody, welcome back to Dad's Rad Fords. We're at the airport. Guess where we're about to freaking go?
We made it.
What up? We made it. Just freaking landed in the taxi, headed to the city. We'll touch base when we get to our actual destination. Show you what we're into up here. What's up, y'all? Dad's Rad Fords up here at the New York International freaking Auto Show. You see it behind me. Super rad experience. I'm sure all you guys in your local city have like a auto show that comes to you, but this is the New York International Auto Show. Old Ford behind me. We're gonna just bring you guys the raddest things that we see here, bring you a little of everything, obviously show you some cool Ford stuff, some ride-alongs and whatnot. This place is absolutely huge, indoor EV test track. So yeah, come on inside with us and let's see what they got. Yo, we ain't been here 5 minutes and we already found a Bandit car. Check it out. You know I love these things. Check out this wild Genesis. This thing is pretty crazy. Display in the back is super rad. This thing is actually like, I don't know, it's not really my jam, but it's pretty intense. I mean, it's legit. I'm saying, like, yo, I'm gonna say Genesis come a long way from their Hyundai roots. Yeah, y'all, Genesis coming hard out here. What the heck? Seriously? Bro, what? This is insane. New whip, who dis? 6-speed Tegra. This thing's actually pretty freaking sweet, isn't it? It's actually a pretty nice little car. Brantley approved. Yeah. I think you could actually drive this car, actually. Yeah. No shift knob? That's in somebody. That's probably in somebody's pocket.
Yeah, people like this one. They probably take it off.
Yeah. Yeah, probably. That probably left the first day it was here. Somebody's got it on their old 95 Integra now. New Honda, I think this is like a CRV or something, but it's super nice. Maddie made me come check it out. How about this unit for all my Toyota people out there? Pretty cool, really. Not necessarily my jam, but it's pretty freaking rad, actually. They produce it. TRD Surf, super metallic paint. Pretty sick, really. It looks legit. Yeah, I don't know. My Toyota people out there, Eddie, what you think? This is all you, man. Trade that 4Runner and get you one of these units. First look at the EV Challenger? Yeah, Challenger. Yeah, this is the Stage 2, whatever the Stage 2 means, but that's what that is. Blue with the red interior, looks pretty good. Dash layout, pretty nice. Pretty sweet car, I guess, if you're a Dodge guy. First look. EV Challenger coming at you. looks like a Cybertruck had a puppy. Subaru, 10 out of 10, coolest booth here. They did last year. Super outdoorsy, interactive booth. They've got freaking dogs over here, rally cars. If you're a Subaru person, this is where you want to be. Arguably the sexiest car Ford has ever made. Unbelievable car to drive. Got to work on these when they were under warranty, and unbelievable car. Will never be matched again. Super sick car. This one in all red with no stripes. Oh my God. Insanely gorgeous car. Probably the sexiest car Ford ever made. That is one classy Porsche right there. I have a special place for these old Porsches. My wife wants one so bad she can't stand it. She's dying for us to find a little project one early. Honestly don't even know what year this is, but I'm gonna say it's definitely 80s. It's a sick Porsche. Gorgeous. I love these cars. This one is whatever this company is. How about that full Duramax cutaway? That's pretty sick actually. Turbo spins. Turbo's locked down, brother. You got issues. No bueno. Not for sale. How about that? Blinged out. All you bro truck guys will be loving that chromed out fuel system. Put it in the truck, you never see any of it. Check this out. First time seeing the E-Ray in person. Corvette E-Ray. How about those wheels are insanely dope. Crazy brake setup. Yeah. Electrified Corvette. I don't know what I think about it. About the retro Bronco, what y'all think about that? I think it's pretty cool. I'm not a Bronco guy at all, but that actually looks pretty freaking cool. Colorway is cool. The wheel, I dig the little red accent trim around the wheels. It's got a cool look. I dig it. I'm into it. Yeah. Mustang RTR. Pretty wild setup. Kind of dark horse combination. I'm not sure all the details on this. I know you get like starts as a dark horse Mustang or something like that, and they do all this. This is a little bit much. Pretty rad though. I mean, it's something. Give you guys a little bit of meeting material. First ever RTR Mustang expands the performance portfolio, combining dark horse hardware, RTR style, and lesson learned. So drift inspired S650 setup. Pretty cool car. Pretty cool. Ford got a lot of stuff going on with the Mustang right now. Good, bad, indifferent. They got a lot of stuff going on. Yo, y'all check this out. C8 Corvette chassis. How about that? Can you see it? Can you see the sneak peeks of it? Check this out. I done found my people out here. Check it out. Check out the GT. I done found my people out here. Super sick performer. On top of this little hot rod. You kidding me? Oh my gosh, this is insanely clean. ITBs, super sick car. A couple of them. Encore booth. They got a freaking pull-up bar, so I guess I'll see how many pulls we can do real quick. I've done this a couple times actually, so see if we can get a couple of studs already here busting out some numbers. So we'll see.
For me to count the actual pull-ups, you gotta get chin over the bar.
Yeah.
Gotta fully lock out when you get to the bottom. No keeping or kicking.
Let's see.
Lock out, lock out. Lock out. All the way down.
Oh, it has faux engine sound. Stage 2 EV Challenger coming at you. All right, so we out of here. Made it. It's crazy madhouse busy in there, but we kind of made our way through. There's so much to take in, so much to see. Right at the end, we found all the old stuff, all the cool stuff. Overall, 10 out of 10 experience, super cool. Just, we're in New York. Come on, man. Can't be that bad. So anyways, hope you enjoyed our little car show vlog. We're just chilling through the city now. We're gonna settle in to that New York groove y'all have all heard about and just do our thing. So thanks for checking the video out. Like,
Subscribe,
comment,
hit that noti bell.
stay rad.
Dad's Rad Fords up in Times Square, New York City, nightlife.